welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Anna, and in today's video you're just gonna see a lot of people having fun. You're gonna see a lot of green, a lot of blue, a lot of yellow, a lot of red. There's some more. You're just gonna see that, so let's get into it. She's so ready.
Beyond. Was that Tronics? Was that Tronics?
I don't know. Just need to use it.
Hi!
Fire, Royals! Fire! Viva my... We are space of violence, you know? Don't ever do that.
That's the most out there, my place now. They were shitting you. Trips were shitting you. My way! Yes. The right cap though, like I will smile.
Guys, I'm not going to post
Why
are you doing this? Why are you this person this early in the morning?
Are you sure?
We are ready.
You don't know what is this image. It's your first time seeing it.
That's why
We're ready.
I know.
They're not sure.
But they're not safe.
They're not sure.
They're not safe. They're actually not sure.
I saw tribe.
Would be safe banana.
Head count. Head count. Head count.
Anyone knowing what's going on every Saturday in my life?
We are ready.
You're ready. It's alright. Oh. Is my phone waterproof? We will sing Shabby! Arabi Shabby. You're real,
Guys,
Appreciate it. Thank you for what do you want to say?
It's nice not to drive all the time, guys. I'm just being honest. We're getting some ice cream because we felt we low-key deserve it. So not that
We're not doing that right now.
this is the KJC.
Hey, make space. Make it.
Hi. And we're taking cuts. I just got home. I can't explain how tired I am, but I had such a good day. I had tons of fun with people. Again, it was a come to cross with me because I'm actually enjoying vlogging my cross experience and my adventures at cross because that's what I do on Saturdays mainly. I'm usually across. So that is it for today's vlog. I love you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. I am going to sleep.